Ornithosaurus was one of the first feathered dinosaurs found. The fossils are so perfectly preserved, they have helped us solve one of the great dinosaur mysteries. For years, the color of dinosaurs was thought impossible to work out. In 2010, it was discovered that the feathers on this fossil weren't just impressions. Under the microscope, tiny structures were revealed identical to those found in modern birds. Structures that contain the pigment. Remarkably, by comparing them to living birds, we can even work out the true colors. The feathers appear to be a combination of reddish browns, yellows, greys, and blacks, perfectly suited to forest life.